Hello and welcome finally to a new entry programming tutorial. Sorry I have been long for so long, but there's been a lot going on that I haven't been able to control. So hopefully we're back on track. I'll try to record as many videos during the summer as I can. So what we're going to cover today, we're going to cover how to do gesture recognition, some basic gesture recognition in Android, such as double tapping, pushing up, pushing down, those things. It's really easy, so let's just get into it. Let's start with the Android Studio, new Android Studio project. We're gonna name it Common Gestures Example. Click Next. KitKat is fine, and we're gonna start a blank activity. The layout name would be... I guess we can just leave it like this. Wait for this to finish building. Ignore that, I guess. It doesn't matter. We're gonna go to the Nexus 5. And first thing we're going to do here, we're gonna select the Hello World text view, and we're going to change its ID. So just find it around here, and its ID is going to be gesture text. Alright, once we're done with that, we just have to implement the listener class in the main activity. So we go here, make sure this actually extends activity. However, what we're going to say here is implement gesture detector on listener. But friends are having fun right now while I'm recording a tutorial. Gesture detector on double tap listener. Alright, then what we're going to have here, we're gonna define the text view first. So private text view gesture text. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go to the normal on create, and we're going to just define the gestures text right here. So gestures text is going to equal to cast it to a text view. Again, this we've done a couple times already, so you should be very familiar with it. When we're ready, r.id.gesture text. Close it, and there we go. Now we have that text file. Alright. Now what we actually need to implement is the functions that actually listen to the gestures, but they are very straightforward. So just bear with me for a second. So you add override public boolean on down motion event. See, really easy. Gesture text set text, and we're gonna say on down. Right? See, it's that easy. So we're just gonna cover all of them. So we have override public boolean on fling. They're pretty self-explanatory. T on event 1, event 2. Now, oops, sorry, I forgot to finish it. This one actually has float velocity x, float velocity y. So this one detects when you go like boom from one part of the screen to the other. It detects how fast it is. Gesture text. No, we're not gonna be using those values, but you can use them if you want. Text on flying, why not? Return let's just say return true. Forgot here. Now another interesting one that there is the on long press. So whenever you're pressing for a while, motion event. Alright, so I'm going to speed this up from now on. Just mention which one. Now that you've seen how to do this, I'm gonna tell you there is an actually much faster way to do this, and with Android Studio, and it's really cool. So pay close attention. Just go to Code, Override Methods. We're going to close this because these are the activity content wrapper, as you see. So we're going to go here. To this bad boy. So in here, and we're just gonna select them all and say OK. And boom, this is gonna write all of them. So now we just need to, we still need to change them, but we just saved a lot of that. So just set them all to true. Again, I'll speed this up. Right, now that we have implemented all of those functions, the last thing that is left to do is to go here and implement an instance of a gesture detector. So private gesture detector compat detector, and we're gonna instantiate it in the uncreate. So just go here and say this .g detector is going to be equal to new gesture detector compat. Just pass this as parameters, and g detector set on double tap listener to this. So we can be, so this way we'll be able to listen to when we have obviously a double tap. Now if you run your app like this, nothing would actually happen, and this is because you still need to implement the untouch function. So basically you just need to go here and say override again public boolean untouch event motion event. We're just gonna say this .g detector untouch event turn shopper untouch event, and this is what actually tells Android to listen for touch for all of these things. What those functions are is just they determine which one it is, but first this needs to be called. Now we're ready to run it, so just compile it and go for it. So let's see if this works first. Aha. So that's a single tap, double tap, scroll, fling. Just go ahead and play with it as much as you want. Hope this was helpful, and again, I'll be trying to make as many videos as I can. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time.